Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this very popular braid called the waterfall braid. You can do it like I did by doing 2 on each side and combining them in the back, or just simply do 1 and continue it all the way around your head. So I started by parting my hair down the middle, and now I pick up a small section of hair from the left side. I part this into 3 equal sections, a top, a middle, and a bottom. I start by doing a regular braid stitch, so I cross the bottom strand over the middle strand and then the top strand over the middle strand. Then, I let go of the bottom strand, but now we'll need a new one. So I pick up a small section of hair right where I just dropped the other one, and that will now be our new strand. Now we can cross it over the middle. Now for the top one, what you need to do is add in a small section of hair to it from the top of your head, and then cross it over the middle strand. This is what we'll be repeating. So I drop the bottom strand, pick up a new section of hair, which will be our new bottom strand, and cross it over the middle. Then, I add in some hair to the top and cross that over as well. Once again, drop the bottom strand, grab a new one, then cross it over. Then, add in some hair to the top strand and cross it over. I continue this until I reach the back of my head. Then I continue the braid just a little bit without adding in any hair, and I secure it with an elastic. So I just did the exact same thing on the other side, and now all we need to do is to get out the elastics from both braids and secure them together with a new elastic. Now I just add this flower to hide the elastic, but you guys can add whatever you want or don't add in anything at all. And that's it! Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you check out my other tutorial. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow me on Instagram for more pictures like the ones you see here. Thank you, bye!